cloysi shanty, accordion and male voices, slow tempo suggesting heat and exhaustion.
Where is the
Water.
Speak up, you bilge rats, or you'll walk the plank! There's barely enough left for one of us!
In this rapidly advancing age, efficiency is key. We must steward precious resources.
Like water. Let's learn from the pros.
In Hollywood.
Make sure you get under the stabilizer fin. We need this spotless for the reflection shot. This is ready.
Rolling.
This is unacceptable. This is... Do you have any idea what this costs? Clean it, scrub, more water. Clean it up.
Make the right choice.
Choose AI.